Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve question number 15, that is weather observation station 10 of HackerRank SQL challenges. So the question is, query the list of city names from station that do not end with vowels. Your result can't contain duplicates. So basically we have to query distinct city names that do not end with vowels. So here we can write select distinct city from station where right of city comma 1, right of city comma 1, not in, it should not end with vowel. So here I am just copy control C and control V. So and we will put here. So this query select distinct city from station where right of city not in this. So now let's try to run the code. So here we can see that our answer is right, and we can click on this submit code. Thank you for watching this video.